You can expect a lot from the 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.